Good afternoon, ZimmWriter family. Let's see what is going on here. If you guys haven't noticed, I put a little challenge, reward, gift, contest, something, whatever you want to call it. I'm offering $100 to one or maybe two people that drop their prompt and show off what they're using. Show off what's cool. What are you having success for? I mean, this is what this community is for. We're supposed to be sharing information with each other. So that's what I have shared here. Come over here, drop your prompt in. Let's see what happens. This gentleman's dropped in, I think, 3 or 4, and they're pretty cool. A couple of people have other dropped in there. So I'll leave this running for probably a week or so. Let's see what kind of feedback we can get. And if you're lucky, maybe, I don't know, talking to a couple people that are really excited about this because there's real possibilities. You know, let's see what happens and let's see what goes on. So I keep getting messages over. Let's go over here. So today's video is technically about using the new interface and new features with Neuron Writer and how to edit current content that was output from ZimmWriter. Yesterday was the 21st, and that's when the new update was supposed to be released. Today's the 22nd. It's still not here. I don't know, guys. I don't own the company, but they even posted on their official or unofficial Facebook page, one of the developers, that it would be on the 21st as well. So who knows what's going on internally. I do like their product. I definitely support their product. The staff have always been really nice to me. So who knows? Bugs happen. People get sick. There's still some people that are recuperating from it being summer. Anyways, I don't have anything else to add. I was really hoping to do this and show off this technique because I do have a couple articles that I actually have on my own site that I intentionally never really modified and left. I allowed AI to make their silly decisions and put things places. And you'll see they've never been crawled, or Google's not interested in the content whatsoever. And I cover in the course why Google's not interested in most default artificial intelligence generated content. So like, share, subscribe, check out Matt's group. Oh, don't forget, we have a group too, SEO training camp. That's the same thing that the domain is going to once we have time for the training course. Anyhow, I appreciate you all. The comments and private conversations I get, the one-on-one meetings, I tend to have at least 1 or 2 every single day, and they're just wonderful. I thank you all for that. If you've got questions or comments, put those down below. Visit the course site. In the comment section, it's not there right now, but I'm sure they'll be there at some point later today or tomorrow whenever staff gets around to it. But check out those affiliate links if you like what I'm doing. It supports me, and it actually supports my team more than anything else. Bunch of good people that I make sure their families are fed. Anyhow, thank you all for following, and see you tomorrow.